In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page to your Wix website. If you're looking to expand your site, whether it's to showcase new services or simply to add more content, this guide will walk you through each step to make that happen smoothly. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, locate the site you're interested in modifying and open the editor. The editor is your main workspace within Wix, allowing you to make a variety of changes to your website's layout and content. Once you're in the editor, it's time to access the Pages menu. To do this, simply look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see an icon that resembles a stack of pages. This is the Pages and Menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a panel displaying all the current pages on your website, allowing you to manage them effectively. To add a new page, direct your attention to the bottom of this panel. You'll find a button labeled Plus Add Page. Clicking this button will bring up a set of options for the type of page you'd like to add. This is where you start to customize your new page according to the needs of your website. You can opt for a standard blank page if you prefer to start from scratch, or you can choose from a variety of templates designed for specific purposes. Options might include pages like Services or Contact, which come with preset layouts to make the setup process even easier. With your page type selected, naming your new page comes next. Enter a name that clearly reflects the page's purpose, keeping it intuitive for your site visitors. This name will not only help you navigate your editor more effectively, but will also appear in your site's menu, making it easy for visitors to find and access the content you've worked hard to provide. After entering the name, press Enter or click the Done button to finalize the addition. Your new page is now ready for you to start designing. The page will automatically appear in your site's menu, providing both you and your visitors a streamlined way to explore the different offerings on your website. By following these steps, you'll have successfully added a new page to your Wix site, expanding its capabilities and enhancing the experience for your visitors. So go ahead, start this simple process, and watch as your website becomes an even more robust platform for whatever you aim to showcase.